In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Google Docs and ChatGPT to write a comprehensive ebook efficiently. Imagine this, you've got a brilliant idea for a book, but the thought of starting from scratch seems daunting. With the combination of Google Docs and ChatGPT, we can simplify this process. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's begin by creating a Google Doc. Google Docs is an excellent tool for organizing your writing, allowing you to easily share and collaborate with others if needed. To get started, simply open Google Docs and create a new document. This will be your canvas for developing your ebook. Once you have your Google Doc ready, it's crucial to prepare your book title and create an outline for your chapters. An outline is like the blueprint of your book. It helps structure your thoughts and ensures your ideas flow logically. Write down the main topics you want to cover and arrange them in a sequence that makes sense for your audience. Now head over to ChatGPT by opening your web browser and navigating to chatgpt.com. This AI tool can help you flesh out your book content based on the outline you've created. Start by pasting the initial prompt into ChatGPT. Here you can specify your book's topic so the AI can generate content that's relevant to your needs. Switch back to your Google Doc and copy the chapter outline you've developed. Bring this back to ChatGPT. Here, ask it to write a concise, beginner-friendly ebook chapter from your outline. Be sure to request the use of short paragraphs, bullet points, and examples to keep your writing clear and engaging. This is the moment where technology really steps in to streamline your work. Once ChatGPT generates the chapter, review the content carefully. If there are any adjustments or further customizations you'd like, don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to make those changes. It's quite interactive and responsive to your inputs, which means you can refine your text until it meets your expectations. After you're satisfied with ChatGPT's output, simply copy the response and paste it into your Google Docs. Now you'll finally see your book coming together. You can polish it by editing headings, changing fonts, and formatting the text to match your style preferences. This step personalizes your work and ensures it aligns with your vision. Repeat these steps for each chapter, and as you complete them, watch your ebook take shape. By the end of this process, you'll have successfully penned a book, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to bring your ideas to life swiftly and effectively. It's an immensely satisfying journey demonstrating how modern tools can amplify creativity and productivity. Congratulations on taking the first steps to becoming a published author, all thanks to the seamless integration of Google Docs and ChatGPT.